Good morning students. Today's science class 6 and chapter is begin second. Components of our food. We have know about food gives us energy. Body needs food to grow and heal injured part. Food keeps the body healthy and helps it to fight diseases. Nutrients are divided: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. And deficiency diseases is divided: night blindness, rickets, goiter, scurvy, anemia. Nature provides us with a variety of food items. Different kind of food contain different types of nutrients. These nutrients are needed for the growth, maintenance and repair of the body. It is not possible to obtain all the essential nutrients needed for good health for any one type of food. Hence, we should include a variety of food items in our diet. Which diet have more carbohydrate and vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats. So we have to eat many types of food items. Nutrients required by the human body. The human body needs 5 types of nutrients. These are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates for energy. Carbohydrates also called energy fuel. Carbohydrates provide energy to the body. Carbohydrates are present in food items in the form of starch and sugar. Food obtained from plant is rich in carbohydrates. Rice, wheat, maize, potatoes, sugar canes, sweet potatoes, tapioca, pulses and bananas are such food items. Milk and leafy vegetables also contain carbohydrates. They give us energy. One activity given here: test for starch. Take a teaspoon of cooked or raw food. If the food item is a solid, grind it into a powder or paste. Add 2 or 3 drops of dilute high iodine solution to the food item. If the food item contains starch, it forms a bluish black color. And next topic: fats for energy and warmth. Fats also provide energy to the body. They also keep the body warm. They are present in plant and animal food products. Edible oils from plants such as a groundnut, coconut and sunflower contain fats. Milk, cream, ghee and butter are rich in fats. Eggs, fish, meat, groundnuts, cashew nuts, almonds and walnuts also contain fats. They are give us more energy to the body. We have seen next activity: test for fats. Wrap a few groundnuts in a newspaper and crush them. Remove the crushed groundnut from the paper. Let the paper dry about 10 minutes. Do you notice on oil patches on the paper? Why? Because it contains fats. Proteins for growth and repair. Milk, cheese, meat, fish, egg, nuts, pulses and edible mushrooms are rich in protein. Peas, Beans and grams are example of pulses. Protein give us body building food. They help to grow our body. Protein helps the body to grow. They also help repair to injured and worn out part of the body. Get it right. Pulses, bean, gram, peas contain comparatively more protein than the other food items obtained from plants, but have much more carbohydrate than proteins. Next activity, test for proteins. Take half a teaspoon of boiled dal paste or raw gram flour. To it add 4 teaspoons of water and mix it. Take half of this solution in a test tube and add 2 or 3 drops of copper sulfate solution. A solution of copper sulfate can be prepared by dissolving 2 gram of copper sulfate in 100 ml of water. Add 10 drops of caustic soda. Caustic soda have making a soap. Solution to the mixture. A solution of caustic soda can be made by dissolving 10 gram of caustic soda in 100 ml of water. Shake well and leave it undisturbed for about 5 minutes. If violet color develops, then the food contains proteins. Next topic, vitamins for health. Vitamins are essential for health. To keep the body healthy and to fight disease, vitamins are required in small quantities. Most food items have vitamins. The human body needs vitamin A, B complex, C, D, E and K. Vitamins are two types, fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble vitamin A, D, E, K and water soluble vitamin B and C. Next topic, in the one chart, vitamins, their function and the foods they can be obtained from. Vitamins, vitamin A keeps eye and skin healthy. Food source, carrot, green leafy vegetables, pumpkin, ripe mango, tomato, papaya, liver, egg, fish, butter. Vitamin B keeps muscles, brain and nerves healthy. Helps in making red blood cells. Food source, whole grain, nuts, gram, bean, pea, soya bean, moong, milk, curd, liver, meat, fish, egg, spinach. Vitamin C keeps gum and skin healthy, help heal cuts, builds immunity. Source, fresh lemon, orange, sweet lime, tomato, spinach, gooseberry. Vitamin D makes bone and teeth strong and healthy. Fish source, fish, codfish, liver oil, eggs, some mushrooms, etc. Next topic, minerals for growth and strength. Minerals are needed for growth and health of our body. The body needs small quantities of certain minerals. They are obtained from various kind of food items. Some such minerals are discussed below. First, calcium. Calcium is important to our body. It makes bone and teeth strong. Milk, cheese, curd, ragi, green leafy vegetables and soya bean are rich in calcium. Iron. The body needs iron to make red blood cells or RBC. RBC is important because it carries oxygen and waste material like carbon dioxide. Green leafy vegetables, whole wheat, pulses, apples, nuts, fish, liver and meat are good source of iron. Next topic, potassium. It helps to keep the muscles, brain and nerves healthy. It also maintains water balance in the body. Tomatoes, green leafy vegetables, dates, jaggery, beans, fruits and fish are the rich in potassium. Jaggery formed by sugarcane juice. Iodine. It is needed for the proper growth of the body. It can be obtained from fish, shellfish, edible marine algae, vegetables and fruits grown in the coastal region as well as farm iodized salt. Thank you, student.